Hi, and welcome to Treasure Southeast. Today, let's make some roasted Brussels sprouts with bacon and Asiago cheese in the air fryer. All right, so I'm going to take half of a pack of bacon. I'm going to cut it up into some smaller strips. I'm going to spread it out in my air fryer best I can. I'm going to put my bacon in a cold air fryer. That way I can render out as much of the fat as I can. I'm going to set it to bacon setting, which is about 320 degrees for about 8 minutes. I'll just adjust the cooking time if I need to. Once my bacon's got heated up good, I go in and I separate it real good and try to space it out. Okay, I'm gonna flip my bacon over, mix it around, put it back in, let it get a little more crisp. All right, I cooked my bacon in the air fryer on 320 degrees for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna take my air fryer basket and set it off to the side, let it cool off a little bit, give the bacon a chance to drain off a little more of the fat. On the larger Brussels sprouts, I'm gonna snip off the ends and I'm gonna quarter them. Pull off the dark green outer leaves, anything that looks bad. Any of the smaller Brussels sprouts, I'm just gonna cut them in half, kind of level out the cooking time. Now that my bacon's had a chance to drain off, I'm gonna remove it from the air fryer basket, put it off to the side in a bowl. I'm gonna take all the fat and the drippings off the bacon and I'm gonna drizzle them over the top of the Brussels sprouts. I'll take the Brussels sprouts and the bacon drippings and toss them around in a bowl. Get them good and coated. I'm gonna go in with some garlic powder. Now I'm gonna add one of my favorite all-purpose seasonings, some Cajun seasoning. Let's place the Brussels sprouts in the air fryer. Let's set it to 400 degrees. Start out about 12 minutes. Adjust the cooking time as necessary. While we're waiting on the Brussels sprouts to get done in the air fryer, let's take the bacon, put it on a cutting board. I'm going to chop it up into some smaller pieces. The Brussels sprouts have been cooking for about 6 minutes. Let's take them, mix them around, toss them around a little bit. Put them back in, cook them the rest of the way. The Brussels sprouts are getting close to being done. Let's take our bacon bits and put them in we're going to put them in the microwave for about 20 to 30 seconds just to heat them back up. All right, after 12 minutes, the Brussels sprouts are done. Another alternative to the air fryer is to roast them in the oven on a sheet pan with temperature set about 400 to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Should take around 15 to 20 minutes, give or take. As you can see, the Brussels sprouts came out perfect. You always want a little char on them, that just adds flavor. All right, let's add some bacon bits on the top of these. Now let's finally grate some Asiago cheese on top. If you don't have Asiago cheese, you can always use Parmesan or cheddar or whatever kind of cheese you like. On the bright side, you can always brag to your mom and your doctor that you've been eating healthy green vegetables. Just don't tell them about the bacon and the cheese. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again.